In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view website source code with the Google Chrome web browser. Whether you're examining how a website is constructed or you just want to learn more about its underlying code structure, viewing a website's source code is a helpful skill. So, let's get started. Firstly, open the Google Chrome browser on your computer and navigate to the website you're interested in analyzing. Once the website's homepage is fully loaded, you'll have a couple of options to view its source code. A straightforward way to do this is by right-clicking anywhere on the page. When you do this, a context menu will appear. Look for the option that says View Page Source and click it. Selecting this option will immediately open a new tab in Chrome, which displays the entire HTML source code of the web page. If you're someone who prefers using keyboard shortcuts, there's another quick method. Just press the Control key along with the U key on your keyboard, and the page source will pop up in a new tab as well. This can be a faster way to access the source code, particularly if you're someone who likes to keep their hands on the keyboard at all times. For those of you who are seeking a deeper dive into the technical components of a website, open the Chrome Developer Tools. This toolset offers a more complex, yet very informative way to inspect not just the HTML, but also CSS, JavaScript, and more. To open the Developer Tools, you can press Ctrl plus Shift plus I on your keyboard, or simply hit the F12 key. The developer tools will appear, typically as a panel on the right side or bottom of your Chrome window, though you can adjust its position according to your preference. Here, you can navigate through different tabs to explore various aspects of the page structure, such as the Elements tab that shows you the HTML and CSS, and the Network tab that can provide insights into how data is loaded and used by the website. Exploring source code using Chrome provides valuable knowledge for both web developers and curious users. It's amazing how much you can learn about the layout and functionality of a site just by peeking behind the curtain. Remember, while it can be thrilling to dig around, always respect others' work by ensuring your browsing respects privacy and copyright standards. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to view website source code using the Google Chrome web browser. Feel free to explore this powerful tool further and see what fascinating information you can uncover. Thanks for watching and happy coding.